guys, girls, hello! This is Imomantico the Packing Show! Kamusta kayong lahat yan? And by the way, isa na naman pong top 10, the episode 10 of the top 10 best OPM rock vocalists. Let's go! Binunyag ko na. Excited ako kasi excited dahil day po ngayon. Well, live na naman po tayo at invite tayo ngayon sa yun. Guys, na ba mga pwede natin tagtag na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Tagtag na naman. Taging sa mga saging. Okay. Well, anyway, shout out po pala sa aking utol, Glenn Mark Pasqua. Kung nakikinig ka, would like to congratulate him. Nakasama naman po siya sa top 10. Where you go, brother? Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Kuya, always love you. And by the way, highway po sa inyong lahat. Isa na naman pong 15 minutos naman po ang bubunain habang nagtatag po ako ng saging. Anak ng saging. I mean, dito sa Facebook. Well, kung sino po natag ko ngayon, just say hello. Woohoo. Well, kamali naman ang lintik na pindot ko, hayop. Let's see. The Judal siblings, I never forgot about the special of Aubrey Judal that she really rocks, and two other Judal siblings. Well, anyway, highway. Just tagging pasensya na kayo kung gugulin ko na naman ang mundo ninyo. And telling you daw. Yeah, telling you daw. Okay. And after tagging, let's start this shit on. Well, anyway guys, kamusta kayong lahat yan? At welcome naman po sa bagong episode po, the top 10. Siyempre, as usual, this is the packaging show, full of packs, fun of surprises. So, isa na naman bagong rock-rockan na naman po tayo. Dito ang bubunuin naman po natin mga kaibigan. And by the way, dahil nagte-trending, so nagulat talaga ako dahil marami parang rock enthusiasts dyan. So buhay pa rin ang musikang bato dito sa Pilipinas. And also dedicated to all rock enthusiasts dyan all over the world. Well, rock on po sa iyo lahat. Yeah! Palakpakan po tayo. Wow! Well, anyway, highway. So, here we go. Let's begin to our top 10. Our top 10 for today, mga kaibigan, is about, katulad nga nasabi ko kanina, the top 10 best OPM rock vocalists. So, bago po simulan po yan, the top 10 rock vocalists. So, dating gawi. So, baka kukulangan na naman po tayo sa 15 minutos na naman pong balagtaktakan po nito dahil napakahirap na naman po dahil sa Dauma, I'm so very much rock enthusiastic. So, in rock music, especially on the band, walang silbi ang isang magaling ang isang banda kahit galaw ka ng galaw sa stage o hindi ka rin makakabenta rin ng magandang album o magandang hit song kung di dahil din sa mga vocalistang ito. So sila ang boses, sila ang sabihin natin pinakaulo o kumbaga sa katawan ng tao. So kilalanin po natin mabuti ang mga nag-aastigan at nag-aangasang rock vocalist po sa Pilipinas. And this is top 10 best OPM rock vocalist. ay dinededicate ko. Kaya shout out po sa lahat ng mga rock enthusiasts dyan. Just keep saying rock on and say hello. Well, here we go. Our top 10. Let's start from the bottom. Yes. Well, anyway, highway. Oops. Dahil live po tayo ngayon, mukhang may nagising. Well, anyway, highway. Mukhang na-istorbo kaya ito yung aking kwarto ko dahil natutulog po siya. Well, anyway, highway. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sige na nga. Simulan na nga natin to. This is the top 10. At the number 10, Dong Abay. Dong Abay o West Don Martin Abay was born on March 5, 1971, Manila, Philippines. Vocalist po siya ng Yano, Pan, and Dong Abay, but unfortunately, they are oldest band. So si Dong Abay, wala na po akong balita sa kanya. Para sa akin, Dong Abay, he is the very much rock man, and talagang ito talaga yung pinaka pundasyon po na talaga ay showcase po niya yung mga best OPM. So Filipino rock po talaga, solido po talaga siya. Para sa akin, siya po siya sang haligi po ng OPM rock. Sa kayang music award background, nakatanggap po siya na best award for the best rock recording. So nakalimutan ko na kung ano po yung year po nyo. Just search it kay parang Google. So Dong Abay nagpasikat ng chinelas. Hindi yung chinelas lang kami kasi iba po yun. Yung yung University State, Banal Aso, ano ba yung mga trending niya? Siya po nagpatunay na hindi lahat ng mga rockista ay long hair. Kalbo po siya, kalbo. Sa mga hindi po nakakaaram. Well, anyway, highway. So, shout out po pala sa mga Arabic Ceramics po dyan. Then, by the way, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating top 10. So, here we go. At number... Well, let's moving on at number 9. Yes, at number 9 po tayo mga kaibigan. For number 9 was Eli Buendia. Eli Buendia of E-Heads. Eli Buendia, his full name was Alejandre Basinio Buendia, born on November 2, 1970 of Naga City, Kamsur. O nga pala, by the way nga pala, bago ba nakalimutan nga pala, sa top 10 nga pala, si Dong Abay o Weston Martin Abay was born on March 5, 1971. So, kung nakalimutan ko sa pala sabihin yun, medyo na-distract lang ako dahil nagising nga lang yung roommate ko dito. Well, ay, storbo pa ako. Well, anyway, highway. By the way, saan ba tayo? O nga pala, kay Eli Buendia, the legendary, the icon of Filipino music, rock OPM, vocalist of E-Heads, 1989. Aba, kalain mo pala yun, pabila kasing edad ko pala yung E-Heads. So, I am born of 1989. So, by the way, moving on, he also formed the Pupil Band in 2003, and now his latest band was Octave. And for his award and achievement, Awit Award for the Best Alternative Rock Recording, and Awit Award for the Best Alternative Rock Recording, Awit Award for the Best Download Song for the song of, ano ba song niya? Magazine? Wag ganun. Well, anyway, Ellie Buendia. So, talagang no that's po kung bakit po siya yung sinama ko sa top 10, the best OPM rock vocalist. Isipin mo naman, wala po makaka-achieve na katulad mo sa achievement po ni Ellie Buendia. I mean, simple but rock. So, hindi siya yung napaklase niya on stage. Very versatile. His voice was very much versatile. And let's go. Medyo nawawala na ako sa vision. So, let's go. Moving on to number. At number 8, Raymond Marasigan of Raymond Manuel Parcon Marasigan. Wow, pare, ang haba ng pangalan. Hinalo mo pa ako. Well, anyway, born on May 22, 1971 on Cardillari, Quezon. He also the former drummer of E-Heads, Box of Sandwich. He also keyboardist or whatsoever. I don't know. I think he also a vocalist of Pedicab, and also on latest he's also the member of Cambio. So sa mga hindi po nakakalam, so may isa pa nakalimutan kasi parang wiki. Yung Project 1 which is composed of almost variety of all of other malulupit na banda talaga. So minsan talaga si paring wiki, si paring Google talaga nagsumasablay din. Well, anyway, highway. Raymond Marasigan, like Ellie Buendia, so very much versatile din kayang voice. On the way po siya, wala po siya pinipiling genre. Mapa-techno man niya, alternative punk, sinusubukan niya, talagang multi-talented. And he also, Sir Raymond Marasigan was also the producer, music producer. So wala tayong iba pa, then medyo kulang na naman po tayo sa oras. So moving on na naman po tayo sa number. At number 7, Miggy Chavez o Miguel Chavez of Chico Sai. Yeah! Miguel Chavez, from new metal to funk to emo or whatsoever. So, Miguel Chavez, napakalupit. Voices was so powerful. Groovy rin siya on stage. And Miggy Chavez, for me, I'm a big fan of his band Chico Sai. When I started to listen I discovered their skill. Kasi ito si Miggy Chavez kasi kung pakikinggan mo lang siya, kung di mo kilala kung pipikat mo yung mata mo, ay ko-confirm mo siya sa isang international rock band. So I don't name any rock band comparing the Chico Sai. Chico Sai is Chico Sai. Well, anyway, Miggy Chavez as a vocalist, very much versatile, very much skillful, talkative, and the same time a little bit comical. So wala naman po tayong oras mga kaibigan, kinulang na naman po tayo lintik. Well, anyway, highway. So maghintay po tayo sa part 2 of the top 10 best OPM rock vocalists. So by the way, highway, salamat po pala sa mga nakinig po ngayon. This is Imo Mantico, the Packing Show, signing off. So hintay-hintay na lang po tayo. At salamat po pala, to forget I mention it, naka 200 plays na po tayo. At salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana mga may upgrade ko na to. Well, anyway, this is Imo Mantico, the Packing Show, signing off. Stay tuned for the part 2. I'm out.